The United States launched another wave, a heavily airstrike against Iran, pushing tension in the Middle East to a dangerous new level. But despite the growing military posture, Iran has refused to back down and continuously issues the strong warning against President Trump as the conflict intensified. Global oil market already reacting with a crude oil price rising supply. So what tied this latest escalation? The what crude oil means of the world. According to reports, the latest round of the fighting because the after the Iranian Islamic Revolutionary Guard crash, the IRGC targeted commercial vessels passing through the Strait of Hormuz, claiming they had the issues security warning. In the response, the US launched a airstrike against Iranian missiles and drone factories, launching a strategic strike on the Case Island and Kharg Island. Since then, both sides have continuously exchanged attacks. The United States has intensified its air campaigning, while the Iranian has reportedly targeted American military infrastructure across the Middle East. Resigning fears the conflict could aspired wired the two countries. But here is the not important question: why are the Iranian negotiations continuously joined to the fight? The answer is simple. Most Gulf nations have more the losses than the gain because of this close of the geographical proximity to Iran. The Iranian highly valuable to the retaliation, even the continuously with a strong military understand that the direction. Geographical proximity to Iran, then remaining the highly valuable to the retaliation. Even countries with a strong military understand that the despite involvement could expose to their cluster, energy infrastructure and economic to the significant risk. The economic consequences are already becoming vessels. Iranian officials claim that the Strait of Hormuz have been closed to shipping. If the Western way remains disputed, global oil price crude oil claim the even highly dates the because of the nearly one-fifth of this world oil supply passes through this strategic choke point, making it one of the most important trade route on the planet. If the conflict continuously accelerated, its importance will extend for the widely the Middle East after the fuel price, global trade, and world economy. If you enjoy according to the in-depth geopolitics analysis, subscribe to the channel and stay the informed. Thanks for watching.